Alright, BT here with FXLiveDayTrading.com. Now I'm going over the trade that we're in the trading room. We actually opened this up on Friday, but this is a live trade right now, Euro Yen. Looking at the 15-minute chart here, let me just move this down a little bit. And I'm going to do a second video, follow-up video actually on this trade as well. I'd like to do that. Okay, so I actually took this trade going into Friday. I just feel that this is way overdone. In the day trading room, we were doing our thorough analysis for the week of this week, and just feel that the time is right now to actually step into this pair. And when I say step into this pair, I'm not talking about a normal leverage trade here. Just talking about kind of stepping in, getting the feet wet. If we do indeed see the trade move in our direction at that point, we can always add and then adjust our stop downward. This way, as the trade moves, we're just tightening that stop and moving it lower to minimize our risk exposure on this trade, the Euro Yen. So at any rate, let's get to the trade. Short here, if you see this little dotted line here, the short was taken at 122.59. Okay, you can see we're already up on the trade. Right now the pair is at 122.31. Now what I'm watching here for is the level 122.15. I want to see a clean break of this, and if even we move back up and retest this level and start to move back down, that for me would be even better from a technical charting point of view. Seeing cracks and then seeing a retouch of that particular crack in a floor. And our floor right here is that 122.15. So I'd like to see a breakthrough and even a move back up, just a tap on that area. Like I said, that's usually a healthy indication of a further move lower. Of course, we want to also see the candles agreeing with the direction of the trade that we're in. Now, if we jump to the 1 hour chart, we're seeing that we're getting very close to that moving average. Okay, now, on this chart here, I have the 5, I have the 20. And, this is very common for day traders to use the 5 and use the 20. Question is, are they using it properly? Okay, so in our Forex trading room, what we do is we discuss various criterias, and we utilize different things such as moving averages, specific levels on the weekly chart, even on the monthly chart, specific areas of support, specific areas of resistance, and then also adding in that little element which sometimes becomes a major element depending upon what day it is. For example, in FOMC, which is coming up this week, if we were to have some fundamental criteria get announced, going into this meeting, we could definitely see some key reversals. But one thing that you have to be very wary about when it comes to the FOMC meetings is those infamous stop runs. So when we go into these days, we're normally very prudent not to have positions that can potentially create disasters. Okay, now as we can see here on the Euro Yen, there's a pretty good amount of activity here. It's Asian session, 8:30 p.m. and we've already had this little stop run move, cleaned up some stops here on the upside. Banks and brokers had some fun over here. Didn't quite make it to that 123 level, and then we did see a reversal. Nice reversal candle here, little move back up. There's that 5 period that we talked about, and now what's happening? It just looks like we're getting ready to dive bomb through this 122.15. I'll do a follow-up video on this trade tomorrow, but so far is looking good that we're going to go ahead and, in my opinion, not only retouch the 122, but I think I'm going to end up with a nice little trade here. Everybody have a good day, and like I said, I'll follow up with a video tomorrow. I may even do another video on a trade that I just took, again on a different pair. So check out the best live day trading room on the web, FX Live Day Trading. You could trade with me, BT, from 8 a.m. in the morning till 10:45 in the morning. And you also have the choice to trade with FT, Frankfurt Trader, trading out of Germany. And he trades every day, Monday through Friday, from 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 5 a.m. Take care, everybody.